Guys, how you can upload a cover photo without having to post it. Now basically you will have to post it, but I'll show you guys how you can not show it on your feed and how not to get other people notified of your changed cover photo. So just first open up your Facebook. Now after you open your Facebook, just go to your profile, and after you've gone to your profile, you will now have to change your cover photo. Now to do that, tap on the button, camera looking button right on the bottom right of your cover photo. After you tap on it, there are different ways to change your cover photo. One is to just upload it, other is to just choose. So for this we'll just choose one. After you tap on choose, just choose a cover photo. Now here you can choose the one that you have already uploaded, and if you choose it, just tap on save. Now if you wait for a bit, it will get changed, and if you scroll down a bit more, you will see that it's been uploaded. Right now what you can do here right here is tap on the three icons, and you can just hide this from your profile. Now after you hide this from your profile, this post will no longer be showed on your profile. So that is pretty much it. That is how you hide your profile from hide your changed post from your profile, and but still have it changed. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.